Welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use Microsoft Office shapes to create art. Let's begin by making the ribbon. I go to Insert, Shapes, and then I search for this ribbon here, ribbon tilted up. Okay. I'm going to copy this. I need two of them. This first one, I'm going to make it red. Shape format, shape fill. Let's choose this one. Now I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to select another shape. It's going to be a star, 32-point star, like so. Let's make the star. Go to shape fill, make it yellow. Okay, for the next step, I'm going to go into shape format, shape outline. I'm going to select gray. Now I go into shape format again, go into format shape, take the third one. Now I'm just going to make it smaller. Change this to fixed position. Rotate this. Make it wider. Not too much. Make this one wider. Right click, bring to front. Fixed position. Same with this one. Fixed position. I'm going to rotate this. Make it a little bit wider. Like so. Take this, put it here, but we have to bring to front. And I'm going to give it some glow. Shape effects, glow, like so. Put it here. Make it smaller. I'm going to select all three and group them. Like so, and then I'm just going to change this to fixed position. Okay, now we make the candy cane. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the block arc. And then I'm going to go right click, Edit Points, and bring down these points, and you'll have to adjust these points a little bit. I'm going to add fixed. Now, shape format, shape fill. Going to make it, let's make it a little bit off-white, like that. And go shape fill, gradient, and for now, just take the first one, go here. You can also go right click, format shape. I'm going to go to the gradient here. First one, we're going to change to red. Okay, second one is what we have. Maybe it's a little bit too gray. Let's change it to that. Add another one. Just going to keep going like that. Add another one. One more. Red. Okay, so our angle is good. It's linear. Direction, perfect. Okay. Now you can bring it together, make it a little bit more solid. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the line, solid line, and I'm gonna say make it red. Shape format, I'm gonna make it glow. Put some glow onto it. Okay, so that's the second one. And now we're gonna make the tree. Insert shapes. Just gonna get the triangle here for the basic shape. Shape format. I'm gonna say go into the format shape. I'm gonna go into pattern fill. Okay, this is gonna be green and this is gonna be dark green. And then I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna give it some glow. Insert a star. Shape format, shape fill. Make it a yellow. Now that we have it, we're gonna go shape format, shape effects, bevel. Give it the first rounded bevel. Fix position. We're gonna give it some glow as well. Shape effects, glow, like that. Now we're going to make a stand for it. Just take a basic shape like this, turn it around. Shape fill, make it green, dark green. Then I'm going to go shape effects, bevel. Take this one. You can also change it. You can go shape format, go to format shape. Give it some more width and a little bit of height. Like that. That's where the tree's going to sit in. You want less height. Okay. So, yeah, okay. Then I'm going to add the trunk of the tree, which is just a rectangle. I guess here I can just make it brown. Send to back, right click, send to back. Actually, I don't know if I need to put that to fixed position. Put that here. This will go on top like that. Then we need the support for the holder. Just go insert shapes. Take the diagonal. Something like that. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to flip them over. That might work. This is actually better than what I did in the thumbnail. Make it red. Also give it a bevel, like so. Okay, I can just attach it here, like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. And maybe just put this one send to back, and then copy it. I'm just gonna put it here as well, like so. Okay, I'm going to go and put a lighter outline on the tree. Okay, that. I'm going to give it a shadow. Let's give it some bevel. Now I'm just going to take this decoration, copy it, paste it, bring it here, and I'm going to take the glow off of it. Make it smaller. Fixed position. Copy. Okay, I'm going to make one with them red. Shape fill, red. One of them's going to be green. Okay. I'm going to put this one here. This one here. Make this one smaller. Now let's group everything. Home. Select. Select objects. Shape format. Group. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you found this video helpful, and Merry Christmas.